just wanted to shoot a quick video on kind of what I got going on here. So as you can see, I have a Shellback Tactical Banshee plate carrier. These are non-modular plate carriers. The way you set them up is pretty much the way you leave them. And a lot of the plate carriers on the market now, like the Spiritus Systems LV119 or the Faro Concept Slickster, basically allows you to either run your plate carrier slick or change out systems so you can quickly go from slick to rifle mags, or rifle mags plus pistol mags, or any variation of things, especially using things like the Spiritus Systems Micro Fight rig, which is super versatile, super modular, and it just makes things real easy. You can't do that with the Banshee plate carrier. Well, I've got this plate carrier already. I don't have a lot of use for a plate carrier, but I figured if I was going to have this thing, I'd really like to be able to run it with my Spiritus Systems rig. So I figured out a way to do it, and it works great. So it basically turns this system into this plate carrier into a very modular system. So I guess let's get into it. First thing is these buckles right here. You need some kind of a buckle like this that will attach to the Spiritus Systems Micro Fight, and it will keep the system in place. Basically what I did was I took these Velcro straps that I made, sewed together with my sewing machine, and looped them underneath the molly. They kind of come back around, and that's what is holding these in place. Second thing you need to do is you'll need a seam ripper, and you'll just take that seam ripper and you will split the seams here. So basically this front flap is what allows the system to not be modular. So you need this front flap to be gone. And basically all you do is cut it off. And you use that seam ripper to do it, so that way it stays nice and neat. By using a seam ripper, you can't even tell anything was ever sewn on there in the first place. So you just take that seam ripper, there's two seams, you run it down both of those. It takes just a couple of minutes and you can just pretty much get rid of that. So I've got my Spiritus Systems Micro Fight, and what I'm gonna do first is I take the clips and clip them in. And just Velcro this in place. That's it. Now it's a modular system. So as you can see, I can obviously run it slick. I can run it with this rig. I can get another Micro Fight that I've got set up differently for whatever reason. I've got a sub gun, as you can see there. So I'll probably pick up another one of these and set it up for sub gun use. And I can just easily switch between them. Like I said, I don't use a plate carrier very often, but at least now, already having this Banshee, now it's modular and I can use it, however I see fit based on what we're doing at the range that day. So there you go, turning the Banshee into a modular system. Have a good one.